Hey everyone, Mr. Kaczynski here, getting the basics down of different types of symmetry. Last lesson we dealt with lines of symmetry, and today we're going to deal with rotational symmetry. So I got a few examples here. Just a simple yes/no, does this picture have rotational symmetry? So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy it eventually. There we go. And then I'm going to rotate it, and if we have an identical picture before we go a full 360 degrees, then yes, it has rotational symmetry. So tell me when it matches the previous picture, and it's right about there. Okay, so yes, since these two pictures are identical now and I haven't gone 360 degrees, I would say yes, this does have rotational symmetry. Furthermore, we could eventually measure that symmetry. We started here and went here. That looks like about 120 degrees. All right, what about this one? Again, let's copy it. And let's rotate it. And if we get an identical picture before we go 360 degrees, then it does have rotational symmetry. And I haven't seen it match up perfectly yet, and it's not going to because this does not have rotational symmetry. So we had to go a full 360 to get the picture to match up again. Let's do it again. All right. So here's the original on the left, new image on the right. We're going to stop when it matches the original. If I go halfway around, 180 degrees, that looks like the same picture. So, yes, this has rotational symmetry. And what about this one? See, I think if I was just looking at the front of the lemon, I could say yes, it has rotational symmetry, but this one, not so much. I think we're going to have to go all the way around before it matches again. So no, this does not have rotational symmetry. And the last one, we've got some all together. I'm not going to bother duplicating them, but I think that stem off the top of this beaker keeps it from having rotational symmetry. Also, maybe the fact that the beaker's only halfway full. This one looks like it has line symmetry or reflectional symmetry, just like the previous one does. Actually, because of the different colors, it doesn't even have rotational or reflectional symmetry. This one, I mean, I can rotate it right there. It still looks the same. There again, I think even more so than that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know what you call those feathers hanging off this pinwheel. So if we did 360 degrees divided by 10, we could say it has 36 degree rotational symmetry. So which picture has rotational symmetry? Not this one, not this one. This one does. All right, so real quick review of rotational symmetry, and that's in section P of IXL's 8th grade math section. It deals with transformations and congruence.